Hey, hey, hey. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to my bulls. Welcome to my bears. How are you this morning? So we are looking at the markets. This is the pre-market report for July 18, 2023. And right now, just from what we are seeing, the markets the market is very flat today. But there again, no, not to worry, right? Today is the day for earnings. There you have it. The big earnings are coming out. Some are already out. I think Morgan Stanley, it's already out, and it beat expectations or something like that. But everything comes out today. Bank of America, Bank of New York Mellon, Charles Schwab, Hasbro, Interactive Brokers, all of them. These are all coming out today. PNC. So you're about to have a lot of bangs. I think JP Morgan was out, what was that, yesterday or day before, or Friday, I can't recall. So, and then with the banks coming in, I think Goldman Sachs comes in tomorrow. Let's see. Yeah. Because JP Morgan wasn't out yesterday. It must have been Friday. Wednesday, you're going to have Goldman Sachs, if I'm not, yeah. Goldman Sachs comes out tomorrow. And we'll wrap up bank earnings, most of it. Well, based on all that, what do we think is happening today in the markets? Well, we just have to wait and see. Yesterday, the Dow closes, rises more than 400 points to new 2023 high. Everybody seemed ecstatic yesterday because of, that. It was a fresh high for 2023. Analysts are coming up with this whole Dow theory thing that has obviously lived for a while. Basically talking about what is Dow theory, pioneered by the founder of the Dow. It was one of the first theories that sought to codify a methodology for prognosticating where the market might be headed in the intermediate future. Where is that? I saw it somewhere. Basically, the theory tells you that if the Dow, while the Dow theory hasn't significantly been issued yet, it's emerging, blah blah blah. Basically, if the Dow Industrial is to hit a high, and the Dow Transportation is to hit a high in a close enough range, it means the market is going up. Let me see, one of the oldest methods for anticipating US, blah, blah, blah. It's called the Dow theory, and it dates back to the 20th century. On Monday, blah, blah, blah. It rose, it finished at this. The Dow's industrial current 52 high. As of Monday close, the Dow roughly was 0.1 percentage points away from reaching a fresh 52-week high. Meanwhile, just last week, the Dow Transports, a gauge of trading stocks related to railroads, airlines, and delivering logistics services like FedEx, reached a new 52-week high of its own accord. So basically, the expectations right now would be, the market is about to go up. Well, we just wait and see. But it's important to note that right now, the Dow is just 0.1 percentage points away from reaching a fresh 52-week high. I will not be surprised if it gets there and it breaks it, right? And I will also not be surprised if it goes backwards. I think the thing about the markets, you shouldn't try to predict the markets. You should try to follow it. I think we lose a lot of money when we try to predict it and try to get in and, it's going to go up today. You realize if you do that, a lot of times, you just kind of end up, where was my chart? Yeah. You just kind of end up doing a disservice to yourself. Because what you end up doing is that you want to get those extra points, right? But if you wait for the market to take the lead, you may not get those extra points, but you will sure get the points of following the markets. Well, no financial advice here. you should consult your financial professional advisor, all that kind of stuff. You already know how it goes. And we just sit down and see what happens today. This is the Dow mini futures. The market's still about flat. Negative 15 points, negative 3 points for the S&P 500. And we will see at the end of the markets today, but I think it's important to pay attention to the earnings and not just the stories that are being told, reported, to get everyone excited. The fact is that the economy is still doing very poorly. We are on a record of losing jobs every day, irrespective of what they keep telling us is going on in the stock market. And so I think it's imperative to pay attention to what would be happening with what they report, trying to read through it. And I'll give you the details at the end of the markets today. So until then, happy trading, my bulls and my bears, and see you later. All right? Peace.